breaking down our OTA finale for Student Showcase 2020. Also the finale for our Legend of Punawian. Okay, so we start with the beat Centenaire. It's actually part of the beat. It's not the whole beat. It's a very long beat. It means century in English. We're just starting with a little part so you guys can get familiar with it, and eventually we'll teach the whole part. But for this choreography, we use a section of it in the beginning. So we start with our hands on our hips, and we farapu 4 counts. So it's a napoko. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can go any direction. I'm doing like a beginner level 2 speed farapu. I'm not going fast. So if you can go faster, go faster. But if you're level 1 or level 2, don't worry, this is fine. So arms out to the side, tarava, wrist at shoulder level, fingers together, and bend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? That's 2 napokos. So we're like this, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna varu, and our hand goes right, left. Okay, so we're gonna varu, right, left. Okay, try. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, varu, right, left. Your weight's on your left, and you're gonna hit right, left, right. Okay, from the varu, 5, 6, 7, varu, right, left, left, right. If you want to add the hands goes 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, try from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, right, left, right. Now our hands are back here, and we're gonna hop forward with our feet together. Little hop, forward, back, center. And then we're gonna push our weights on our left foot. We're gonna turn towards, push our left shoulder back so we can turn towards the front. We're gonna push back. Our right foot's gonna step up and push us around and really exaggerate the back. And then we start again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, left, right. Forward, back, middle. That's the first part. Okay, I'm going to turn around, go from the beginning. This is my front. Ready? 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. A 1, 2, 3. A 1, 2, 3. Push back, turn towards your left shoulder. Do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, varu, right. Left, hit right, left, right. Hop, hop, hop. Push back, go back to the front. Your left shoulder's going back, right, front, left. You're gonna ope. Your weight's on your left, your right foot is pointed. You're gonna make a half circle, okay? And your arms are going to cross. They're gonna go 1, 1, and elbow. 1 and elbow. So we look forward and look left, right. Yeah? Right foot pointed, ope, forward, side, back, and your weight goes on your right, and then front, left, back, right. Now we do the left. Point your left foot, push front, left, back, right, hit left, push forward, right, back. And then we finish varu. Right, left, hey, yarana. Right foot is forward, back foot is heel up. Let's review the first part. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, left, left, right. Hop, 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 push back, right, front, left. Farapu, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3. Varu, right, left. 1, 2, 3. Hop forward, back, middle. Turn your weights on your left foot. You're gonna pick up your right foot, you're gonna turn your left shoulder, goes back, push back, right, front, and point your right foot, open, 1 and 2. Front, left, back, right, 1 and 2. Front, right, back, and body right, left, right, left. Your weight's on your left foot. You're gonna point your right foot. Hey, hands on your hips. Step forward on your right foot flat, back foot up. Yaorana. Okay, when you do your ope, 1, look to the right, look front. Hips are going front, left. They're going counterclockwise. The second time, they're going clockwise. Start at the front both times. Okay? Okay, moving on to the second part after the first section of our otea finale. So we just said yaorana, we're saying like aloha, hi everybody, we're just giving our aloha. And then we're gonna farapu, you're gonna put your arms to the side and you're gonna bring your right foot to your left foot. Farapu, 8 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Arms up, Tahiti tamo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Farapu. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're gonna turn. Our left shoulder goes back. Turn to the back. All the way around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we bring our hands down. And we're gonna hit the beat. So that was 2 tomas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 1 toma. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 with a turn. That's the second toma. And then takoto. Hands by your stomach. And you're gonna hit right, left, right, left. If you're a beginner or level 2, you don't have to do many circles. You can just do 1. So it goes right, left, circle, and you're gonna turn towards your left again. Left shoulder goes towards your back. You're gonna face your side. So only a quarter turn. Yeah, so that's our second one. First one, second one. So here we look forward. Here, look at your right hand. Look at your right hand. Okay, from here, another quarter turn. Hands up. Don't put them too far back. Keep them right there. Same thing. Right, left, boom, boom. Okay? That's our 1, 2, and 3, and 4. And right hand to your mouth, and push out. You're gonna bend your wrist, and you're gonna make this noise like the wind is passing by your ear. Okay, we're gonna step with our right foot to the front. We're gonna face the front with our pico, and our leg is gonna face our right side. So right leg, your left foot is gonna go behind. Just place it, and you are bent. This hand is back. Okay, so we just finished our last one. Right foot steps. Left foot comes behind. Hand to mouth, and push. Okay, let's try it again. We just finished yaorana. Ready, go. 2 tomas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left. Farapu. 1, 2, 3, 4. Farapu. Up. 2, 3, 4. Farapu. Side. 2, 3, 4. Farapu. Step and boom. Okay, moving on. So we just finished takoto and we finished like this. Now we have sontener again. Sontener. So it's 4, yeah? 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. So this is your right arm forward. Right arm is forward, left elbow's out. Shake, 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 shake. We have something in our hands. Shake, 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 shake. And you're flip, yeah? 1, 2, 3, 4. Bring it to the side. Flip it. Okay? With farapu. 5, 6, 7, and shake, 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 shake. Flip, 2, 3, 4. Now our arms are going to go to the side, left side, right side. Okay, shake, 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 shake. Flip, 2, 3, 4. Left, right. Don't forget to look. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look to your right hand, look to your left and your right, and make a rainbow. Okay, let's try with the hips. Tahi, rua. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. Kick and faraku and hit, hit, hit. That was right, left, right. Step to your left, push back, left, front, and. So your hand just went like that as you stepped to where you came from. Okay. Shake, 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 shake. Flip 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, left, right. Thank you. And then we do it again to the left. Let's try the right side first. Tahi, rua. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. 1, and. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, left, right. Push back. Step with your left. Bring your right in. Now our left side. Same thing. Left, to the left, to the right, left. Faraku. Now we're going to hit left, right, left. The opposite. Step to your right. Push back, right, front, and. Now we're going to go to the right. We're going to go step with your right. Left foot goes behind. Right foot. Now our pico, our belly button is facing our right front corner. You're going to point your left foot, bring it in front, swing it to the side, back, bring it under you, point it, and make it ope. Front, side, back. Step, behind, step, pico to the other corner, tarao, and ope. To help you balance on this, what's going to help you balance is if you're bent. Okay, so just stay bent. Ready? Step to the side, step behind, stay bent, stay bent. Now you can straighten that leg and ope, step, back, step, straighten your leg and ope. Okay, so first we go to the right, then we go to the left. Let's try. 5, 6, 7, bend, step, 2, 3, 1 and 2, step, 2, 3, 1 and 2. Now we're going to omaha to finish it up. Our hands are going to come down and they're going to come up. So we're going to step front. Right foot, sway to the right, sway to the left. We're going to turn our right shoulder back. So it goes 1 and put your weight on your right foot. Your arms are going to come up. Now you're going to step with your left to the back. Left, right, come back to the front. Hey, maiva. Okay, let's try the omaha again. I'm going to face the side. Listen to what leg I'm saying so that you don't get confused. So right foot first. Right, sway to the right, weight on the left, weight on the right, turn towards, push your right shoulder back. Right, left, right, turn towards the back. Left foot is behind me and it's going to step forward, forward, and bring it together and you're going to finish hey, maiva. Right foot is forward. Okay, I'm going to angle this way. 5, 6, 7, and right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right. Hey, maiva. Our last pehe for our otea finale or our salute, it's a little bit complicated. So we're going to go very slowly. Feel free to stop, rewind, go back. Okay, so we're going to clap. Right hand is going to go forward, palm down. Okay. So it's not up here. It's at your chest level. Your hands, when they open, they roll open. Okay, so we're going to go clap, 2, 3, 4. Clap, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the tricky part is the hips. The count, actually the count is, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, left, right, left. Right, left, right, left. And right, left, right, left. Okay, just the feet. 5, 6, 7, and right, left, left. When I do my left, I'm going to step, and then I'm going to step right. 5, 6, 7, and right, left, left. Right, left, left. Try again. 5, 6, 7, and right, left, left. Right, left, left. You see how I don't finish my left? 1, 2, 3. Now I step 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Try it together. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. With the hands. Tahi, rua. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So just like the first one, right, left, right, step out, 2, 3, step in. 1, 2, 3, step out. 1, 2, 3, step in. Okay, that way, for the next one, you have your feet together. Tahi, rua. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, right, left, right, right, left, right. So hips, right, left, right. 1, 2, 3. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Right, left, right. And your hands are going to go out, ear, forward, out, ear, forward. It looks like this. One hand is already here, it's at an angle. So it's not down, it's not side, it's at an angle. It goes 1, 2, 3, side, 2, 3. Side, ear, forward, side, ear, forward. Give it a little bounce. Bounce, 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 bounce. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Try with the hips. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Moving on, clap, push, clap, push. Okay, it's a hui. Hui, just twisting. It's not a hit, it's a twist. Clap and clap and. Clap and clap and. Ready? Right foot up. So we just went 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Put your right foot here. 1 and 1 and. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, again, 5 from the clap. 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 1 and. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clap. Your right shoulder is gonna go towards the back. 1, shoulder, push up. Okay, so it goes, you're facing the front. 1, shoulder, push up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, su. 1, 2, su. But your left arm is facing the front, which is your screen. So it would be 1, 2, su. This being your left arm. Front, shoulder, push. Okay. That's the first part of Tariaria. Okay, I'm gonna review the beginning of Tariaria. Ready, and right. 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, up, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, su. Okay, from here, the new one starts. So we're gonna be, your left arm is to the screen, you're gonna farapu, feet together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or beginners, 1, 2, 3, 4, it's fine. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then our right arm is gonna come out to the side. We're gonna turn towards the front. Turn towards the front, your front is the screen. Ready, go. If you are intermediate, you can go on your toes. Or level 2, beginners, you can keep your feet flat and just turn like this. So 1, 2, no. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Face diagonal to your right front and right elbow. Right foot flat. 1, 2, 3. lift, place your left foot, 1, 2, 3. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, right foot flat first, wharapu, right elbow, lift, and place your left foot, left elbow is to your front, your piko is to your front corner. Okay, from here, we're gonna go left. Okay, your weight is already on your left, so it looks like this from the back, even though I'm angled. Your weight's already on your left, and you're gonna go left, right. So you're gonna go left from here, left, bring your feet together, right, left, right. So you go, you're here, left, and. No hip on the last one. Weight is on your left, left, right, left, and. Again, 5, 6, 7, and. 1, 2, to the front, arm. Okay, last part. You're gonna put your hands down to your right side, hip level, and you're just gonna make whenua. Whenua, showing the land. So, boom, 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 boom. Now it's 5 counts. You're gonna step 1, 2, 3, 4, stay. Okay? So here's my front, that's my right arm, that's my left arm. I'm gonna turn my body towards my left. My hands are to my right. I'm gonna step right foot, left foot, right foot, left foot, stay. Okay? So you just traveled counterclockwise. Travel to the left in a circle. So right foot first. Right, left, right, left. If you can wharapu, go ahead. Wharapu, 2, 3, 4. You can do like a ruru if it's too fast for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or just walk it. Just so you get the footwork. So, boom, boom. Right, left, stay. Okay, now your right arm is gonna go up and you're gonna hit your right hip to the front, which is your screen. So you're facing the back, hit your right arm up to the screen, your weight's on your right. Now, change our arms, left, hit, and turn so that your right shoulder is towards your back and hit. And then you're gonna look to your front, which should be the screen. So your left arm should be facing the screen up. Let's try it again. Okay, so you're gonna travel to your left, ready, go. Right, left, stay. Your weight's on your left, your right heel is up. You're gonna hit your right hip towards your front, which is the screen. Right, now left, and turn your body so that your left arm is facing the screen, and you show your face, and you say, hey, maruru, and your leg is up. And that's the end. Okay, let's try tariaria, the second part, all together. So we ended here. Ready, go. Wharapu, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, lift. 1, 2, lift. Left, and. Step, right, left, stay. Right arm to your screen. Left arm comes up, and you hit right hip, and your left leg is pointed towards the screen. Your left arm is up towards the screen, and that's where you say, hey, maruru, and finish towards the screen.